Culture gives geometry meaning, art gives it shape, beauty gives it feeling, and place gives it context. Together, they shape how humans design spaces to reflect who they are and where they live. Now, speaking of places, let's check out Tumawini.
We'll take you on a tour and tell you the history of Tumawini Church.
The St. Matthias Church is made of bricks, and if you look closely, it's amazing to see that both the exterior and interior are made of bricks, making the church very beautiful.
St. Matthias Parish Church, commonly known as Tumawini Church, is a Roman Catholic church in the municipality of Tumawini, Isabela, Philippines. It is the oldest church in Tumawini and features a large bell that is beautiful.
The St. Matthias is made of bricks. And if you look closely, it's very amazing that both exterior and interior are made of bricks, making the church very beautiful.
Church Tumawini, first built of light materials by Fray Francisco Nuez and dedicated to the patron Saint San Matias, 1707, separated from Kabagan and became from regular parish, 1751.
A church of stone with a unique cylinder bell tower. The only of its kind in the Philippines was constructed by Father Domingo Forto, 1783 and completed 1805.
Became of the capital of Isabela for some time in 1880s, partly damaged during World War II and repaired into its original form by the faithful of Tumawini.
Park serve as a symbol of hope, resilience, reflecting the community's strength and determination.
At Tumawini Park, there is also a statue of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal.
And a tree house where people can chat and laugh together upstairs.
The park serves as a community hub, hosting various cultural events and activities that promote social interaction and community engagement.
Tumawini, Isabela.
Kamsamal Tumawini, located in Isabela, Philippines, is recreational are surrounded by natures and beauty.
At dito sa Kamsamal, pwede kayo dito magtambay at magpahinga katulad ng ating mga classmate na nagwakwentuhan at nagtatawanan. At dito sa Kamsamal ay malalanghap nyo ang fresh air at makakakita kayo ng magagandang tanawin katulad ng mga bundok at mga flowers. And by the time she wakes